Only say like me, yeah. But if you call and you talk to a girl, I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time, yeah. Waste your time, baby. I mean, honestly.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice, and today's video is going to be on an Aliexpress hair company. So let's run it all the way back, and I'm going to jump straight into this video. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, I'm TearaShanice, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and continue watching. So first and foremost, I do want to say this video is not sponsored at all. I do want to say that I bought this hair with my own money, my own hard-earned money, and it is an Aliexpress vendor. So this whole summer the hype has been on Aliexpress hair. So back in July, I purchased this hair back in July. I was looking for a vendor. I didn't really do my research at all. So I basically just went out on a limb because everybody I've been seeing, they had like really good Aliexpress vendors and like hair from Aliexpress. I also do hair, and a lot of the girls I work with, they buy their hair from Aliexpress. I'm like, okay, so I don't think it's ever going to be a miss. So I purchased hair. I seen this hair. I believe it was a 177, and it's a 26-inch and a 250% density. So I'm like, oh, I got me a steal. And I'm not sure. I will also leave the product details on the screen somewhere. I'm not really sure if they had an option where you can up the density or lower the density, but I did choose 250% density 26-inch, and I believe the total cost was $177. That is before tax, because I did order multiple units. So before tax, it was $177. So I figured that was a good deal because I do hair, so I know exactly what I'm looking for. I wanted big hair, and I really thought 26 was an okay length. So before I really just give y'all a 360 view, look at it right now. I'm not going to do like really in depth until the end of the video, so please keep watching. The hair arrived within about 2 weeks. I don't believe it came in within that first week. I believe it came in within the second week. There wasn't no fancy packaging. I believe it just came in a bag, as well as a, and I don't think, you know, one of those nice, well, not nice, well, one of those like ribbon satin bags. It didn't come in a satin bag, I don't believe. I believe it just came in like, you know, just a packaged bag, as well as the Ziploc bag. So I was like, okay, I guess they just want to give me my hair. So it came in that kind of bag, came in within about 2 weeks. And, that was about it. But I just finally installed the hair. I had it just laying around because I never found the time to actually wanted to wear it. So I just finally installed it about 3-4 days ago, and I have a lot to say about this hair. And I have a lot to say about this hair. I'm really big on getting your money's worth. I always look for affordable hair. All of my YouTube videos are about affordable hair. And a lot of them are sponsored for the most part, but honestly, a lot of the companies I work with, they are really good hair. So I haven't ordered from Aliexpress in a very long time. This was like my first time since forever. So I was already really sketchy, but I was like excited because everybody always talked about, you know, Aliexpress vendors and how all their hair has been good. I seen for myself, and you know, I should have just did my research, but I didn't. So this wig came in, and first of all, I ordered 2. I only received 1. I only received 1. So I didn't think about contacting the company. That's, you know, bad on my end. especially when I paid the price for it. But oh well, I'm not even worried about that no more because I ordered it back in July. I just installed it, so I didn't really look at the packaging until now, and it's here with August. And y'all know most of the time they only give you 30 days, 14 days, so it is what it is. So I installed the wig. I'm going to go over all the good stuff first because, you know, I don't want to downplay this company because their reviews, and I did look on TikTok, some of them girls' wigs on there was nice. I ain't gonna lie. So maybe it was just me. Maybe they just didn't like me or something. I don't know. But, and this is also a deep wave as well. I did want to mention that. It's also a deep wave. So, the hair pattern is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. So I haven't put product in my hair since this morning. If y'all watch my videos previously, I do not put mousse on my hair. So I basically just wet it and put like a moisturizer on it. So my curls are definitely very defined. Very, very defined. So I love that. I don't really care for the wet look that much. I like big hair because I like volume, you know. But I am gonna do the wet look so y'all can see later of how this hair looks when it is in the wet state. Also with this hair, so the lace is actually fairly thin. It has a decent lace on it. It is transparent. So that was a good thing. I believe this hair is true to length. It's 26 inches, and I will show y'all exactly how long it is. On me, this hair, if you pull it out, it does go all the way down here to my waist. It does sit right here at my chest. So honestly, it is true to length. This is 26 inches. It is 26 inches, and I will also turn around and show y'all how it looks from the back. And that is basically the hair. So the hair didn't have no type of smell or anything. I don't have any troubles with detangling it or anything. I haven't received any shedding just like that. I didn't receive any shedding with this hair. I don't actually wrap my hair. Well, I haven't been wrapping my hair. So I haven't received any tangling, any shedding with this hair. Pretty much, I did get a snag right there, but it's okay. It's not like unbearable. I don't get no shedding with this hair, I can definitely say. And this hair is really dark, as you can see. I like that. I like dark hair. I like black hair instead of like dyeing my hair black. This hair is very dark. It's not like one of those brown color, dark brown color wigs. And it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Like, look at these baby hairs. This one little baby hair is messed up. But it's definitely giving scalp. Like, scalp. Do y'all not see that? Like, on both sides. Not just that one side. It's definitely giving scalp. But let me not mess it up. So, it's definitely giving scalp. I did put the hot comb to it. I didn't have no problems with heat. I haven't really tried any different styles with this hair at all. Again, I just had it on for about 3-4 days, and so far so good. I do want to say, when y'all do the wet look on this hair, the curls really are defined, and it's really full from root to end. Like, the bottom of my curls don't look stringy at all, and that's really good. It doesn't look stringy, so it is pretty thick. Like, it is like thick. So that is a plus. So honestly, that is all the really pros of this hair. I do want to get into the cons. So this hair is not 250% density. This hair feels more like 150% density. Like, when it's wet, it looks skimpy. Like, it looks like, what is this? This is not 250% density. This is not what I pay for. So I was highly upset about that. But again, I did not return it. So that's another reason why I got it big. It's not, and y'all can't really tell, but when I wet it, y'all will definitely tell. But it's not 250% density. I had to bleach the knots twice. I used 40 volume developer BW2 powder, and I left it on for like 30-40 minutes. So I didn't really understand why it didn't bleach the first time. So the second time I bleached it again, and I did the microwave method twice. I did the microwave method twice because the first time it still wouldn't bleach. And the second time, okay, it was like, all right. So I'm gonna like actually zoom in so y'all can see my knots. So with this wig, y'all can see that the knots didn't really bleach that good. Still showing black knots, which I just don't understand why. The lace is not even thick. I guess the knots are just big. I'm not sure. I was really scared when I got this like package, but as long as it looks good, like you can't really tell. And I know as soon as you put your lace tint or makeup on it, it's gonna go away, because like right now it doesn't look bad. The only thing that's like really throwing me off is this line, but it's cool. It's cool. But other than that, it's not really bad. Like y'all can see, it's really just giving scalp. I did like really pluck it because it did come pre-plucked, I believe. But I know for a fact I did have to go in and like really pluck, because it didn't like pluck where you can actually put it on your head and go. Definitely not. Frontal on this, it's not one of those full frontals, 13x4. So on the side of this hair, it does not have a far parting. So that is about it right there. And this one goes all the way back here. So it's short on the side. It's short on the side, and it is longer in the middle, which is about 4 inches. So as much as I wanted a side part, I didn't do a side part because of that. So I did do a middle part. And I don't know, like with curly hair, I really like side parts. Like I don't really like middle parts that much. I wanted to do some braids. I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to do some braids, but the only braids that I could possibly do was like right here, and it just wasn't, I don't know, it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give for braids. So I basically just kept it like this. I've been wearing it in a high bun, and I also want to show y'all another clip. Well, I had it in a high bun or whatever, and I'm just walking. My sister's like, what is that in your hair? So I said, take a picture of it. Y'all, I got a blue string in my hair walking around Walmart. Like, what in the world? What is this? Like, what is this? So I'm like, oh my goodness. Like, I had blue on that day too. So I'm like, okay, it's just gonna go with my outfit at this point. But it's still there. I didn't pull it out because didn't know where it was. I just was wearing it down after that. But I have blue strings, so this hair does have color strings. Color strings is not what you want. Like, it has a lot of synthetic fibers and all of that. But I know you're not going to really be straightening and all of that with this hair. But, you know, that's just not what you want. So I'm kind of like disappointed with this hair. It is what it is now. You know, it's one of those, just a wig I'm going to just be going to. But it's not like, oh my gosh, y'all, this is it. No, like for the money, like I don't know, because it's not like it was a lot, but I wish it was 250% density. Like, I'm real mad about that. Like 250, y'all know how good 250% density looks on curly hair. Like, come on. So they really had me hyped up with that, but that's about it with this hair. Just be careful when you're on Aliexpress looking at different vendors. I'm not saying this hair is terrible, but I definitely give it a 5 out of 10. Like, it's it's one of the I don't know, maybe, you know, something real quick. But the hair company, again, is, if I haven't already mentioned it, is Luvin Hair on Aliexpress. And I know this company like floats around so much on Aliexpress too, and they have a lot of reviews. So I don't know if everybody got the same experience as me, but I definitely wanted to put my little 2 cents in there, which probably isn't even needed, but you know, just to help somebody else who's been looking at the same company but haven't even, you know, heard anything on it, because they don't even have Instagram. Like, I haven't found their Instagram page either. So I don't know if they have any other like reviews anywhere else. So I definitely wanted to put that out there so people will know. And next thing I am going to do is just do the wet look on this hair so y'all can see. So this is what it looks like wet. This is what it looks like wet. So moral of the story, this is not 250% density. If you can see through it, it is not 250. 250 density is extremely thick. This is nowhere near thick. This is actually thin, but it is true to length for curly hair. But yeah, takes water really good. Water actually holds onto the hair. I can say that the curls are really defined. As you can see, I only had minimum shedding when I did run my fingers through it. I did have minimum shedding. No tangling whatsoever. And when I go to bed at night, I do like 2-strand twists my curly hair, and then I wrap it in like a bun, and I put my bonnet over it, so that can prevent it from shedding. And that's about it. But this is the hair. This is the hair. I mean, it's a nice wig. Honestly, it's a nice wig, but I definitely didn't get what I paid for at all. I didn't get what I paid for, and that's about it. I didn't get what I paid for. I wish my frontal was bigger. I wish my density was thicker, but yeah. But the ends are actually really nice. It's very defined. It's true to length. And that's about it for this hair. So if you did like this review on this hair, again, this is Luvin hair off of Aliexpress. This was a 26-inch, supposed to be 250% density. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for my next video.